Hi everyone. Welcome to another tutorial by Dr. Techno. Today, I'm going to show you a really useful tool for macOS called hiddenbar. You can find this tool in the App Store and install it from there. Alternatively, if you've already installed Homebrew, as I've shown you in the other tutorial, you can simply Google hiddenbar brew, and you'll find the command to copy and paste into your terminal. Once the tool is installed, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, it allows you to organize your menu bar and make it look cleaner. You can control which items are hidden by holding the command key and dragging the little arrow and line behind the icons you want to hide. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.